Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is an 8x8 by 2-inch canvas, and I have leftover paint. Not a lot, but enough, I think. So that's my shovel that's going in the bucket right after I use one of my silicone brushes to get rid of the rest of the paint. As long as it doesn't turn yucky, it's still usable. I'll just rest that there. And what I want to do, other than get the rest of this paint out of here, is add a little bit of color back in. Whatever I've got handy, like Miami Magenta. And some more Orange Crush, which I found recently. A little white. Metallic. A little Decor Americana 24 karat gold. And I'm thinking if I can get a little bit of Dancing Fuchsia out, that'd be good. I'm not sure I can. There we go, we got some. Not much. And I'll finish that up with Frozen. I can't help it. I need some Fandango. And anything else I add will be outside of the box, literally. Go back in. So put that to the side. And I just put a fingerprint on my canvas, so that's probably where we'll start. Let the paint flow down. Grab some more. I've been leaning into my camera lens all day. It's not a good thing. I'm sorry about my head. Probably should have skipped putting more paint into my container. Alright, whatever's left in my container is fair game. Now I'm just going to take chances. Alright, it is what it is, and it's not my favorite, but it's also pretty cool. And I could add dots tomorrow and improve it remarkably, probably. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.